In this video, I'll show you how to change Peacock payment method on iPhone. Step 1. Identify how you subscribe to Peacock. iPhone subscriptions via the App Store are billed through your Apple ID payment method. Payments cannot be changed within the Peacock app. Step 2. Change Apple ID payment method. Open iPhone settings, then tap on your name, then tap Payment and Shipping, then tap Add Payment Method to add or edit to change existing ones. Step 3. Cancel current Peacock subscription if needed. Open Settings, tap your name, Subscriptions, then select Peacock and click on Tap Cancel Subscription. Step 4. Subscribe directly via the Peacock website. After canceling your iPhone subscription, subscribe directly at peacocktv.com to use a different payment method. Step 5. Update payment method via Peacock account, direct subscription. Log into your Peacock website, then go to Account, Plans and Payments, then Update Payment Method to change billing info for direct subscriptions. Now I have some tips for you. App Store subscriptions are tied to Apple payment methods only. Direct Peacock subscriptions allow more flexible payment method updates. Always verify subscription source before changing the payment details. And that's how you change your payment method for Peacock on Apple. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.